Hey folks, security researchers are warning about a serious flaw affecting all supported versions of Windows Server and Client, tracked as CVE 2023-28252, a zero-day in the Windows Common Log File System, CLFS. This flaw can be used by hackers to gain full system privileges and fully compromise the target endpoint. This has been leveraged by threat actors to deploy the Nokoyawa ransomware strain. /n/n Microsoft has now released a patch for this zero-day, and researchers are urging all users to deploy it immediately. The patch addresses another 96 flaws, including 45 remote code execution (RCE) flaws. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency has also added this zero-day to its catalog of known exploited vulnerabilities, and FCEB organizations must apply the fix by May 2nd.n/n. So, if you're a Windows user, it's time to act fast and get this patch installed. Hopefully, it'll help you stay safe from any bad actors out there looking to exploit this flaw. /n/n. Also, if your business is looking for protection, you should check out some of the best firewalls available on the market. For example, there's been plenty of good things said about X and Y, both of which are widely considered top of the line when it comes to protecting your business from cyber threats. /n/n. So, take these steps to protect your system from any malicious threat actors, and don't be caught unawares. Until next time, stay safe.